Welcome students. Today I am going to explain the chapter of class 9 Beehive book. The name of the chapter is My Childhood, written by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Now we are going to read about the author. Author Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam was the 11th president of our country and he was well-known scientist as he was known as the Missile Man. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam has written this extract. Actually, this is an extract from his autobiography, Wings of Fire. If we are going to learn about this chapter, we have to keep 5 points in our mind. So I have extracted 5 points for you to get the chapter in your mind. So our first point is the complete name, the full name of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So the full name of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is Abul Pakir Jalaluddin Abdul Kalam. Next point is to be remember the birth date of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam born on 15th October 1931 at Rameshwaram. The third point to be remember that Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was known as Missile Man as he worked as a great scientist. Fourth point to be remembered about the achievements of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. As he achieved so many awards, but especially he won Bharat Ratna Award in year 1997 for his contribution to the scientific research and modernization of defense technology of India. Fifth point to be remembered about a great loss. Kalam died on 27th July 2015. He died during delivering a speech at IIM Shillong, Meghalaya by sudden cardiac arrest in 2015. Now we will discuss step-wise his journey from Rameshwaram to President House. So first, I'll discuss that he was born in a lower middle class family and worked as a newspaper distributor. Step 2. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam studied physics and aerospace engineering from Madras Institute of Technology, MIT. Step 3. As a role model. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam played a great role in Indian atomic research, Pokhran nuclear test. Fourth step, he won many prestigious awards like Bharat Ratna, Padam Bhushan and so many, and most prestigious award is also his Ramanujan Award. Fifth step, finally he reached his destination and he reached at the President House. Finally, he was selected as 11th President of India and we are proud on him. So, this is the journey from Rameshwaram to President House. Now we will discuss the chapter My Childhood by APJ Abdul Kalam, and I have divided this chapter into 4 points. So, first, we will discuss about the theme, that is the theme of my childhood. The rest of the chapter I have divided into 3 parts. 3 summaries are there, and in first summary, we will discuss about his early life. Second summary, we will discuss about his social challenges, and at last, we will discuss about the education of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. In this part, we will discuss the theme of the chapter My Childhood. In this chapter, we will discuss about the childhood of Dr. Kalam. Kalam was born in 1931. He is the son of the middle class family. He born at Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu. His father was also an imam of a small mosque in Rameshwaram. Actually, he struggled his life very hard. Finally, he reached to his higher destination, to the President House, and he worked as a scientist, a great scientist. He contributed his whole life to for the people of our country, and at last he was known as the Missile Man. He died on 27 July 2015 at Shillong while delivering a speech in IIM Shillong, Meghalaya. In this part, I will discuss about the early life of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam started his journey from a lower middle class family from Rameshwaram to the President House. He worked a lot, he struggled a lot. Actually, his life was full of struggles. He distributed a newspaper to earn his livelihood. But he was very generous, very kind, hearted person. His father has given all the good characters in him. In this part, we will discuss about the second phase of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam childhood. In this part, we will talk about the social discrimination. Actually, he was the victim of social discrimination in his childhood. Dr. Kalam had 3 friends and they belonged to an Orthodox Hindu family and he belonged to a lower middle class Muslim family. He was the victim of social discrimination. In his class, he was asked to sit at the back because at first he was sitting with their Hindu friends. And one more incident that took place in his life that reacted very badly on the life of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Once he was invited to have a meal with his teacher at his home. But the teacher's wife ignored him a lot and denied to serve the food. Finally, the teacher convinced his wife and they had their meal. In this part, I will discuss about his education. For higher education, Kalam sought permission from his father to leave Rameshwaram and study at the district headquarters in Rameshwaram. As Abdul Kalam belonged to a very poor family, but he struggled a lot to get the education. Anyhow, he managed to reach MIT, that is Madras Institute of Technology, and he became the aerospace engineer. Finally, he worked a lot. He was a hardworking person and he was one of the best important key in the Pokhran test also. Now to enrich your vocab, go through the glossary. This is all about the chapter My Childhood, and that is the extract of Wings of Fire by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Thank you children. Thank you for watching this.